So Twitter, Elon Musk purchased 10% of the Twitter he purchased 10% stake in Twitter. So Twitter gapped up significantly, like 20%. And I knew it's going to be in play. But I know Twitter is hard to start to trade because we traded in the past. It really moves a lot. All right, guys. Good morning, everybody. Andrew Aziz is back from Sahara Desert. Not desert. I had a really, really fun time. Thanks for everyone who sent me messages. The Marathon des Sables, I did it 7 days, 250 kilometer. It was really, really fun, and it was not easy, but it was really, really fun. I wanted to bail, to be honest with you, after 3 days because I was just bored. But my buddies, I got messages from some of the members, and my running buddies, they all said, don't bail, and I just finished it. So what happened? So Twitter, Elon Musk purchased 10% of the Twitter he purchased 10% stake in Twitter. So Twitter gapped up significantly, like 20%. And I knew it's going to be in play. But I know Twitter is hard to start to trade because we traded in the past. It really moves a lot. At the open, we had a really, really nice pop right at the open. I didn't wait for the first minute. Just heavy volume came in. I popped a heavy size, and I got a really, really solid move from 48.42 all the way up to $50. And then I did on the pullback. I tried to make a 1 minute opening range breakup, and I got stopped out. And that was good, but I tried to catch another reversal on it. I really should have let it go. But for 5-10 minutes, I started a little bit over trading on that. A couple of got bad stop out, and pretty much I gave all the profit back on it at the open. And then what happened was stock really, really broke down to a level called 46.86, which is very significant in the pre-market. And in that level, Jared also took it, and he's going to explain. He took a really nice short on it, Thor did a really nice short on it. And then 46.86, I decided to take another speed. I was pretty much break even on it. I just a little bit profit on that. So I, really held 46.86 down to the penny. As you see in my chart, down to the penny, 46.86. I went long, I added more on the way up heavily. And as you see, we squeezed above the VWAP. Again, I added a couple of times, and I am still in there, like 1,500 shares I still in there. If you can see my PNL here, I still have 1,500 shares here. And yeah, so that turned out to be a really, really nice trading for me. And I'm up 10 grand. I still have, this 1,600. It might actually go to 49, so I might actually hold it a little bit. And yeah, that's pretty good. So the situation in the market is, the fear of recession is still there, and Russia is still, it's just, the war crime and situation is over there. So the market really can't make a decision. Qs are really strong today. Apple made a really nice move up with a lot of semiconductors, NVDA. But the biggest mover of today was really Twitter. So that was my trade, even though, again, a little bit choppy at the open. I gave some of the profit back in the morning, but eventually I got this really nice bottom reversals that also Jared mentioned this is veg. Now going to Jared. Jared, it was a pleasure trading next to you. So how was your
Yeah,
trade?
you as well. And congratulations on everything. And obviously looking forward to when you're settled and back in the main trading chair. But we've been having some fun in the morning session. I traded Twitter this morning as well. Tried to take it long, got stopped out after the morning momentum faded. Scalped it through 48 a few times. And then when I noticed 49 was becoming a bit more resistant to the price, actually flipped short. So I noticed Thor was thinking short. I was kind of seeing that we weren't really pushing the same way. And I was able to short it started at 48, added at 48.50, kind of partial to get my size back down. And then I rode it to, I would say like 47.20 was my last out. Added again, kind of near the bottom of that range, and then got it close to pre-market low. And then as we just saw, falling wedge on Twitter, you caught that reversal. Kind of looks like a double bottom with a lack of follow through, and now we're squeezing, or we're pushing back up to the highs. So I had to bail on my short. Also traded Apple. Apple was just kind of classic tech strength this morning. Qs are kind of ripping and recovering from last week a little bit. And Apple was a big driver. So once I noticed the strength, bought it above R4. So 176.50 is approximately where my entry was. And I got it close to 178 was my all out. So just a straightforward, just continuation play on a strong stock. That's it.
Oh, excellent. Yeah, that Apple was really, really clean. And I wish I was
Mhm.
getting it. Baba is squeezing right now. But yeah, Twitter is probably going to go to about 49 as well. So that was great, guys. So I'm going to send a newsletter today. Tomorrow, I'm in Marrakesh for 2 days. I'm flying to London, staying one night in London. And then I'm flying to Vancouver. I'll be back, and I'm not going to travel for a couple of weeks. So focusing on trading and making sure the community is running well. If you have any question, guys, just email me, Andrew at beveltraders.com. Brian, I think, is going to be back um, this week as well. He's in Egypt. He's talking to pyramids right now, and he's going to be back probably end of this week. Thank you for everyone who covered us for us, Jared, Thor, Peter, Carlos, Norm, all of you, Abiel, everyone. Thank you so much, John. And yeah, making sure that click on subscribe, like if you have any question, comments, and if you guys want to join us, check us our trial. And yeah, hopefully see you at the community. I really wish that the war in Ukraine is going to end soon. The peace negotiation is going on. The inflation is really hot in Germany and in Europe. Hopefully, the supply chains are going to be back to normal and inflation gets under control. But so far, Elon Musk really made a huge volatility for us. I think Twitter is going to be even volatile tomorrow as well for the next couple of days. See how it goes. And all the best, guys. Thank you so much, and see you all. I still have 1,000 shares. It would be fun to see if we can get to 49, above 49. I'm going to sell above 49. And the way that is going up, it might actually go up to 50. So I'm going to hold this. I should have added probably, but I just, anyways, I lost the opportunity to add. Have a good day, guys, and see you all in the chat room.